This channel has 224,000 subscribers with only 39 videos. And the best part is they only started the channel less than 3 months ago. One video even hit 57 million views. AI underwater animal POV videos are one of the fastest growing niches on YouTube right now. And I'm going to walk you through my exact workflow using only 2 tools. No experience needed. And one thing I'll show you at the end completely changed how viral these videos are. It takes about 10 seconds. Let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Underwater Animal POV Generator, and choose mine. It should be the first result. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you a list of 10 viral video ideas. Just type the number of the one you want, or tell it your own idea if you have something in mind. I'm going to choose number 6. It's going to show me what I've chosen and ask how many clips I'd like. I'm going with 6 for this example, but you can go up to 20 if you're making longer content. Now it generates a full production plan for your video. You'll get reference images, image prompts, and video prompts for every single clip. Reference images are the secret to making every clip look like they belong together. I'll show you exactly how in a second. Now let's generate the images. Go to OpenArt using the link in my description. Head to Image, then Create Image. This is what you'll see. Select Nano Banana 2 as your model. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and paste it into the prompt box in OpenArt. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and your resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want. Then hit Generate. This is what mine look like. I'm very happy with the outputs, so let's make the rest of the images. Now go back to ChatGPT. Here's where those reference images come in. Most clips are designed to visually match the previous one, so your video looks consistent all the way through. So copy your next image prompt. Click the image you need to reference, and press Reference. Paste your prompt in, keep your settings the same, and hit Generate. Just repeat that for all your remaining images. I'll do mine now. If you're finding this useful, by the way, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. All my images are done. Now let's turn them into videos. Go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt for clip 1. Go to your first image in OpenArt and press Image to Video. Now on the Image to Video page, select Kling 3.0 as your video model. Paste in your prompt into the prompt box. Turn the audio toggle on. Set your output to 5 seconds and 1080p. Then just hit Generate. Now just repeat that exact process for every single clip. I'm going to do that now. Wait for all of them to finish, and wait until you see how this looks when it's done. It genuinely doesn't look AI generated. Let me show you some examples right now. As you can see, they look insanely realistic, and I know that I have the best method to make these kinds of videos. So once they're all done, simply download every clip from OpenArt, drop them into your editing software, and make sure they are in the correct order. You may have noticed, but if you want to go extra viral, take your most dramatic clip and put a short snippet of it right at the very start of the video, before anything else. It creates instant tension and makes people want to watch the whole thing. And it's as simple as that. Just export the video, and you should get something like this. You can upload it straight to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. No extra editing needed. Now you know exactly how they're doing it. Everything you need to make these viral videos is down in the description. If you make one using my method, drop it in the comments. I want to see it. See you next time.